We're Nina and Joe. We're at Silver Circle Distillery where we make Wye Valley Gin.
We're going to show you a few of our favourite places around the Wye Valley.
We're at March's Deli on the High Street of Monmouth, and we like to come here to get locally produced cheese, beer, and they also have a really nice cafe.
This is Humble by Nature. It's a working farm just outside Monmouth. They do amazing courses on rural skills like beekeeping, how to build a dry stone wall, and goats for beginners.
Our kids love coming here for the animals, and we love coming here for the great burgers in the cafe. We love coming to the boat after a busy day at the distillery. The pub is just on the river. We usually go for a swim and a pint.
The Wye Valley is famous for its walks. Our favourite walk runs up to this point, which is the Eagle's Nest viewpoint.
The Wye Valley is a beautiful place. There's winding rivers, ancient woodland, and great food and drink. We really love it here.